The purpose of placing such brilliant kids in disparate places that transcend class and race. The purpose of placing such brilliant kids in disparate places that transcend class and race is in discovering them we discover a brilliant place to launch a brilliant state. No? The logic of placing such brilliant kids in disparate places that transcend class and race is the revolution in their discovery lends itself easily to the discovery of a brilliant place, of a likewise brilliant place from which we may launch a likewise brilliant state. The logic of placing such brilliant kids in disparate places that transcend class and race was that into their is the revolution in their discovery lends itself to the discovery of a brilliant place from which to launch a likewise brilliant state. A likewise brilliant place from which to launch a brilliant state. Likewise brilliant place to launch a likewise brilliant state.